Hello! Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm really excited about this product. This is the limited edition Hello Kitty 50th anniversary timeline ballpoint. I have not seen them yet in person, but I've been very excited for them to come. Okay, so first I see that they come in the timeline box that I'm used to, with the exception of these limited edition Hello Kitty designs on them, which is really cool. So there are two different models, a star model and a ribbon model. But I can't 100% remember what they look like. I want to peek at the marketing materials. All right, so let's see. I think the hardest thing for me on this one is going to be deciding if I want the ribbon or the star version. So these contain acro ink, which is a very smooth ballpoint ink. And for those of you who don't know what the timeline ballpoint is, it's a really cool rotary, almost like futuristic looking pen. So there is a case inside of the box, some instructions in case you need it. This is what the standard case looks like. Okay, so the star one, wow, it has this, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera. So it has a sparkly what do I call that? Sparkly, kind of a sparkly or glittery barrel. And this is a deep blue color. And you can see Hello Kitty with her star design there. And then these rotary pens, you basically are screwing them from, basically with these rotating pens, you're turning the barrel to extract the nib, and then you're going to have this lovely 0.5 ballpoint pen to write with. So let's see the other one. Okay, so this is Hello Kitty ribbon. If I recall correctly, this barrel is black rather than the deep blue. Yes. Oh, okay, nice. So this barrel, let's see if you can see it, is this shimmery. Shimmery might be a better way to describe it versus sparkly. Kind of has this shimmery lacquered look. Black, but there is some like blue in the shimmer, if that makes sense. I'll kind of hold them up side by side. So you've got your ribbon and your star, and same kind of tip. So I'll show you, these write so nicely. Let me just use this. It is like smoothest ballpoint. You know, these acro inks are just so smooth. If you have any of the Acro pens or the Dr. Grip like pens, they use this Acro ink now. And it's just such a comfortable, beautiful pen, such a great way to celebrate Hello Kitty 50th anniversary. Let's look at the display materials, just see if there's anything cute in there. It's always just kind of a fun part. So this would be like used as display in a retail store. So it just kind of gives you an idea of what that would look like if you were in like the loft in Japan or something like that and you saw these. Yeah, so we do have, you know, quite a few sets of these, but I imagine they will go fast because it is a limited edition. So if you want it, I would grab it as soon as you can. And as always, let me know if you have any questions and I will be happy to answer them. Have a wonderful rest of your week and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.